how we jive mass communication. In this video I'm going to show you how you can put SIM or chip to your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay, I have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Recently I unboxed this phone. I'm gonna put a new chip. I will take chip from Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Gonna put to Ultra. I will shut down this phone. Here we go. Power off. Great. The phone is coming with this. You see, this is for open SIM. So I'm gonna take this out from here. Good. And I will take out the old chip that I have here. This is in one cover, so I have to take out the cover of the phone. Okay, and here we go. Here we have place. As you can see, this is place for microchip that I'll take out. Press a soft gentle pressure as this. Here we go. And you listen a ticking noise. It will come out as this. So much easy. Take this out. I have one memory card also in this, and I have my microchip. Here we go. The memory card, I take this out, put here, and the chip. Okay, I take this new phone and I hit the same place, same technique. Put soft pressure on this. Coming out. Let me show you fine. Here we go. I take this as this. Good. Okay, I put micro SD. Here we go. And this is SIM. I put here we go. Perfect. Simple. Here I have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay, put back at its place. Put inside. Let's hit the power button. The phone is starting. Let's see. Okay, I think the SIM is detected. As you see at the top, movie star. That means my SIM is working, and memory card too. I can copy and something from SD card, tap here to transfer media file. I don't want to do that. So you can see here the SIM is detected. SIM 1 Movistar. Okay, you can add another chip that is eSIM in this. So this is very easy tutorial. So guys, this is how you can insert your SIM and memory card to your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.